Today we will install h-encore on your Vita running firmware 3.65 to 3.68. For this video you will need a Vita with firmware 3.65 to 3.68. If you have a fat Vita you will need a memory card. You will also need a computer with Content Manager Assistant or CMA and the latest version of Final HE. I prefer QCMA, which is a third-party alternative with better features for hackers. Finally, you should have disabled automatic updates as shown in the Wilson Minute link now. Run the Final HE executable. Start Content Manager on your Vita and connect it to your computer via USB. Check the box next to trim h-encore to 13 megabytes. Press Let's Go. When Final HE is done, you will be given instructions for your Vita. Open Content Manager and click on Copy Content. If you see this message, watch the Wilson Minute link now. Click PC, USB cable, PC to PS Vita, Applications, PS Vita. Check h-encore and click Copy. OK. It will install for a short while. When it's done, you will have a h-encore icon on your Vita to show it is properly installed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Wilson Minute. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and if applicable, watch the next and previous videos in this series. If you would like to help support this channel, I have listed ways to do so in the video's description. Now get out there and apply your newfound knowledge.